Guys, what happened to Zimele this week? That's what we are about to find out. But in the meantime, how are the money market funds performing currently? I saw this lady on Facebook, a certain lady on Facebook, talk about the money market funds and how they don't make sense. But what she failed to say is they don't make sense in comparison to what exactly? Yeah, you see, like you have to compare it with something before you say it doesn't make sense, okay? All I can say for now is that information is actually power, and please take time to look at the pros and cons of every investment opportunity, but above all, take a vehicle yenye inakupeleka to your destination, your goal, with peace of mind. Remember, it's all about your goals. And what is the progress so far with your savings challenge? Tunamaliza first quarter ama utaanza this month. It's still not late, by the way. You've only lost about 85 days so far, and for those that already started, hata kama it was 100 bob per day, they are already past the 8k mark in their accounts. So don't waste another day. You can start now. Start this end month. Immediately you earn, make sure you open your account. By December, you will be grateful you did that. Anyways, let's start our updates. As at the 24th of March, with the United States dollar money market fund, we had a very good mix of greens and reds in this chart, which means there was almost a tie in the companies that had a slight increase in results and decline as well. Yes, as you can see over here. So two companies recorded 6% and above, and that is Etica and Kuza, which also switched positions. Moja ikaenda juu, ingine ikarudi chini in comparison to last week's results. Jubilee and CIC also maintained their positions, while Dry Associates, they had a significant drop in position from position 5 to position 8. Absa took this category to the newest low in a long time, and that is recording a below 4%, as you can see, settling at 3.92%. The average, though, still looks great. So kwa wale wa transactions zao mostly ni using the dollar, this could be a place for you to do your savings. And coming to the fixed income fund category, only two companies recorded an increase, as you can see. And funny enough, this week we saw some significant drops in this category almost across board. As you can see, the likes of NCBA will record a single digit return, and that was 9.52% to be exact. Tukasifu Zimele last week paka tukapiga makofi. Then this week, boom, from position 1 to position 5, and they dropped from 14.35 to 13.68%. What happened really? Madison, on the other hand, jumped from position 4 to lead the pack with 14.1%, also being the only company that recorded above 14% for this week. Both Madison and Orient are the only two companies that had an increase, and both of them recorded a good growth, by the way. As you can see, they improved very well. So the rest, ni South. South, here we come. Will next week look any different? I don't know, but we can only wait and see. So Zimele, by the way, posted their financials. I saw them this week, and the results are looking good. I will also be updating you on all the rest. Yeah, easy companies zingine zote, all the fund managers, whether they recorded a profit or loss in their results. So make sure you have subscribed not to miss any of these updates. And last but not least, the Kenya Shilling Money Market Fund this week had a slight drop in average, going down to 11.83%, down from 11.88%, which is a clear indicator that we did not have any significant drop in general, in general, for this particular week, which of course is good. But then on individual level, most companies recorded some slight decrease. Ndio unaona rates ziko mingi hapa when compared to last week's results. Lofty Coban dropped to the 5th position. I think this should be their first major drop, by the way, in a very long time since they actually started. And also, it is important to note that only 5 companies recorded a return that is above 13% this week. And looking at the trend, I feel like most companies will be chilling at 12% over the coming few days, for a while. Let's see how that goes. This also reminds me to politely answer those who perhaps haven't ever had me explain why the rates are dropping this way. Ladies and gentlemen, your company is not collapsing. Your company, there's nothing wrong with your company. In fact, it's not just your company dropping. All companies are dropping currently, and this is because the money market funds, they reflect the interest rates given or available in the market at any particular moment. If the fixed deposits, the treasury bills, the bonds, and the likes are returning a great rate or a good rate, your money market fund will also return something great as well. If they return lower rates, you will also see the same in your MMF account, simply because those are the instruments which are used as vehicles to return you what you get as interest. So any company receiving new money in huge volumes in terms of fresh deposits and top-ups will definitely see a decline in returns. However, we are about to reach the averages, the normal averages, yeah, like those averages where money market funds operate. But as we always say, you should strive to keep the main thing the main thing, and the main thing is, you can say it with me, fattening the cow. Continue topping up and go for your goals. If you've not opened your account, open your account. Imagine someone on a 100 bob a day challenge. By the end of the year, they will have 36,500, even if it is 0% return. Alafu kuna huyo hapo next to you, sio wewe, who is busy complaining and cursing returns, oh zimeshuka, oh kasongo, and they won't take action. If you see excuses more so not to take action, hey, please avoid that person intelligently. Sio ile mbaya. Someday we will bring our fattened, healthy cows to the marketplace to negotiate a better rate or return or have the freedom to choose. But until then, don't lose sight of the goal. 10% of 1 million is still better than 20% of 100K. Jaribu kupunch uone. The question is, are you going for your goal? All the links to open your accounts or book sessions one-on-one with me are in the description below. Leave me some comments or like as some feedback. It means so much to us as a team. And see you in the next video.